Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. It's in great shape, great condition, works great. The battery lasts over an hour. So the original box is in great shape too. So if you need to make a gift to somebody, it's a great option. Alright. So you got all the manuals, all the quick start guide, all the paperwork basically that was included. The registration papers, everything's here included. So you look some more details, you can look at the pictures. So here we got the iRobot Roomba itself. We got the lighthouses / virtual walls in great shape. Alright. So you can look at the pictures for more details. And if you have questions, you can always ask me. So I got the charger here, the docking station right here. So it is a terrific used item. Looks great. Alright. So I got two brand new filters right here. Yeah, cleaning tool right here. Alright. And pick this up. Also got a brand new side brush, 6-legged brush. Alright, so here's the iRobot Roomba. So it looks like up close. Here's the front bumper. It has the front bumper extension. It's just a rubber piece that goes on, so it becomes basically so one doesn't damage your furniture or anything. It just bumps a little bit and that's it. It's off the bumper to call them. So got the side brusher here. It's in great shape. You got the front wheel caster right there. Also looks good. The brushes are alright. I still got some use in them. So we got the dustbin right here, all clean, disinfected, so you get a nice clean vacuum. There's a serial number there. Alright, look how close to the brushes so you'll see. Anyways, Roomba works great, it looks great, and it works. So it's a used item, so that's all you know. So, anyway, so it works. So if you guys want to make an offer, if you guys think you can give me a better offer, please go ahead and click the make an offer button. But anyways, item was great. Thanks for watching.